Imagine asking AI to write an email and it does it. Now imagine giving AI a goal and it plans, decides, remembers, tracks progress and also completes everything for you. That shift from generating to execution is exactly what's happening in the world of AI today. In this video, we'll cover what generative AI is, what agentic AI is, and also the key behavioral difference between them, how their task scope varies, and their level of autonomy, memory, and context difference, real world use cases, and finally, which one you should use and what are the future looks like. Also, just a quick information, if you're serious about building the next generation of AI products, the Applied Agentic AI System Design and Impact Program in collaboration with Microsoft and Simplilearn is a 10-week practitioner level experience designed for professionals who want to move beyond basics generative AI and start designing, orchestrating, and leading agentic AI systems. You'll gain hands-on expertise in multi-agent systems, RAG, MCP, planning frameworks, workflow automation, and also agentic UX while working with 25 plus industry tools like LangChain, AutoGen, Crew AI, N8N, LangGraph, Azure, and more. Learning is deeply practical with 40 plus demos, 10 plus guided practices, 7 real world projects, and also a capstone focused on product strategy. Delivered through live interactive sessions, mentoring, and cohort-based collaboration, the program also offers a career support via job assistance, Microsoft Lean badges, and also a joint completion certificate from Microsoft and Simplilearn. If you're aiming to build autonomous AI systems, lead AI-driven product strategy, and also stand out in fast-growing market, this program isn't just an upgrade, it's your launchpad. Enroll now and step into the future of agentic AI with confidence. The link is given in the description box below and in the comment section. Before we begin, here's a question for you to answer. If you ask AI to write a blog post and it gives you the content, is that a proactive AI, generative AI, or is it a agentic AI? Take a moment and think about it. Let us know your answers in the comment section below. Now let's start by understanding what generative AI actually is. Generative AI is. Generative AI focuses on creating content. It generates text, images, music, and even code. When you give it a prompt, it produces a single output based on patterns it has learned from your data. If you ask it to write a paragraph, it writes it. If you request an image, it generates. If you need a code suggestion or music, it creates those as well. The core idea is simple. Prompt in, output out. It is highly creative and efficient, but it works only reactively. It waits for instructions and responds accordingly. It does not plan beyond the request given to it. Its strength lies in producing high-quality content quickly, but its interaction is centered around individual prompts rather than long-term goals. Now let's talk about what agentic AI is. Agentic AIs move beyond the content creation and also focuses on goal execution. It interacts with systems such as checklists, calendars, emails, databases, and even other AI tools. Instead of producing just one response, it coordinates multiple actions to achieve the specific objective. It can update a checklist, schedule meetings or a calendar, send emails, retrieve information from databases, and use AI tools when needed. This makes it more than a content generator. It behaves like a digital agent. It works across tools and systems to complete tasks in a structured way. Rather than waiting for step-by-step instruction, it operates towards achieving a defined goal. Now let's see the key difference between these two. The fundamental difference between generative AI and agentic AI lies in its behavior. Generative AI is a reactive. It waits for prompts and responds when asked. Once it generates an output, the interaction ends unless another prompt is provided. Agentic AI is proactive. It takes the initiative once a goal is defined. It determines the next steps required and acts accordingly. Reactive systems respond. Proactive systems take actions. This behavioral shift transforms AI from being a tool that answers questions into systems that actively works towards completing objectives. Generative AI is designed for a single-step task. The process is straightforward. A prompt led to a single output. It solves isolated problems efficiently. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is a multi-step workflow. It can plan, research, report, and execute. Instead stopping after one response, it breaks down a goal into multiple stages and completes them systematically. Real world objectives often require planning and coordination, and that is where agentic AI becomes more suitable. It focuses on completing an entire workflow rather than producing a single piece of content. Generative AI and agentic AI are not competing technologies. They are complementary. Generative AI acts as a creative engine producing text, drafts, reports, or ideas when needed, whereas agentic AI serves as an orchestration layer deciding when to generate content, how to use it, and what action should follow them. In many systems, agentic AI uses generative AI internally to create outputs and then coordinate the next steps. One generates, the other organizes and executes. Together, they form more powerful and intelligent systems. Generative AI is widely used for content writing, image generation, code completion, and also summarization. In content writing, it produces blogs, emails, and social media posts. In image generation, it creates visuals based on descriptions. In code completion, it assists developers by suggesting or writing code. In summarization, it condenses lengthy documents into shorter versions. Each of these use cases involve producing a specific output in response to a prompt. Its strength lies in creativity and productivity for single tasks that require content generation. Now let's take a look at the agentic AI use cases. Agentic AI is more suitable for business automation, QA and testing, research and analysis, and also process orchestration. In business automation, it manages workflows across different systems. In QA and testing, it runs tests, identifies issues, and generates reports. In research and analysis, it gathers data, evaluates information, and also compiles structured findings. In process orchestration, it coordinates multiple tools and steps to complete complex objectives. These tasks involve ongoing execution rather than one-time outputs, making agentic AI ideal for structured workflows. Now let's explore the level of autonomy. Generative AI requires humans in the loop. Each step needs guidance, and the user must provide instructions repeatedly. It depends on human prompts to function. On the other hand, agentic AI operates with minimal supervision. Once a goal is defined, it manages an execution of tasks independently. The human role shifts from directing every action to overseeing results. This high level of autonomy allows agentic AI to handle more complex and repetitive processes efficiently. Now let's compare the memory and context. Generative AI is stateless. It forgets context between conversation. Each prompt is treated as a new and isolated. It has no memory of previous interaction unless the context is provided again. This means the user often needs to re-explain information. It is similar to speaking someone who starts fresh every time. On the other hand, agentic AI is stateful. It maintains goals across multiple steps. It remembers past actions and decisions. It builds context over time and tracks process towards the objective. This persistence allows it to handle long-running tasks effectively. Instead of restarting each time, it continues from where it left off, making it more suitable for complex workflows. Now, the real deal question is which one you should use. If the requirement involves content or media on demand, single task, human oversight, and reactive interaction, generative AI is the appropriate choice. If the requirement involves autonomous goal execution, multi-step workflows, proactive behavior, and minimal supervision, agentic AI is better suited. The decision depends entirely on the nature of the task. Sometimes creativity is needed, sometimes structured execution is required. In many cases, combining both produces the best results. AI is evolving from being a simple tool to becoming a collaborative teammate. Initially, AI assisted with calculations and analysis. With generative AI, it began creating content. With agentic AI, it knows how plans and execution is done. The future of AI lies in intelligent collaboration between humans and systems that can create, remember, act, and adapt. Understanding the difference between these two types of AI helps us prepare for this transformation in a way that we work. AI is no longer just about generating answers, it is about executing goals. From reactive responses to proactive actions, we are witnessing a shift in intelligence. The real opportunity lies not in choosing between generative and agentic AI, but in understanding how to use both effectively. The future belongs to those who learn to collaborate with intelligent systems. Let us know your thoughts on agentic AI in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button for more such content. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.